Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add emotions to voices in 11 Labs. So at first guys, you will need to go with the 11labs.io website and then just sign in to your account. After that, navigate to text to speech right here. Okay, it's under the playground section on the left hand menu. Click it, and then you will need to choose a voice from the library that supports emotional modulation. So for example, from here, settings, go here, explore, and choose a voice from here. All right, so you can go to the search bar and type right there emotional modulation. Okay, and choose one. All right, so for example, we'll go with the calm, modulated, and expressive. Okay, you can actually test it from here and just click it. Okay, and now all you need to do is to type the text you want the AI to speak in the input box, and then choose an emotion. So look for an emotion or side drop down or slider, and after that you can select the desired emotion for your text, and then you can adjust the strength just from here. Okay, so some voices allow you to adjust the intensity of the emotions like speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. Okay, and after finishing, you will need to go with generate speech and then just download it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.